going to show you how to hide any folder in Windows 10 PC. With this method you can completely hide the folder. Even if someone changes the folder option, it do not affect this method and your folder will be completely invisible. Okay, so here is how to do it. First of all, reach to the destination where folder is kept. Now for example, I have to hide this folder named secret. Now what I am going to do is to press a right click while pressing the shift key in my computer. What happens if you don't press the shift key in the computer? Don't press the shift button on the keyboard of your computer. The option of open command prompt here will not reach. So press the shift key and press the right click, and this option will be there. Open command prompt window here. Now once it opens, you have to write crib +s +h and the name of the folder inside double quotes. Just press the enter button and refresh it. It's gone. It's completely gone. Now this process of hiding through command prompt make it completely invisible, and one cannot see it by checking the options show hidden file and folders in the folder options. Now what if you want to see the folder on show the folder to your PC, unhide it? You have to just write the code by replacing plus sign with the minus sign. -s, -h, press enter, and the folder is again visible. Thanks.